I feel like we can get to know each other way better than we do, which is why I have decided to give you the details about my financial disaster, the wrong decisions that I have made that have complicated my path to becoming debt-free. Hi, my name is Gio Scollo and welcome to MoneyBeat. First of all, please like and subscribe to this channel and all your wishes will come true. I'm just kidding. Or am I? By the way, I know I've been changing the YouTube set quite a bit these days. It's all because of this little pandemic we're having. I've been staying at my girlfriend's house, that's why. Actually, these are some of her purses. I want to start this video by saying I know my situation is not the worst situation someone can be involved in. I don't have any student loans and I don't have any mortgage to pay yet. But I have made some decisions that have really been an anchor for my financial progress. If you have seen my previous videos, you may have noticed that I hate credit cards. And my advice is always that you should avoid them at all costs. I stand by it because the worst financial decisions I have ever made are directly related to credit card expenses. It all started with a trip I wanted to make, December 2017. We wanted to go to Chile to celebrate the New Year's Eve. We were 3 couples. I had just accepted this brand new credit card, and as I didn't have any savings, I was ready to use it to pay for the whole trip. Of course, you always think, oh, I'll use the credit now, but as soon as I get back, I'll pay the whole sum to get the balance to 0 and then cancel my credit card. The problem is, you get back from the trip and you find yourself with no money. So you think you can pay it little by little, just the minimum payment, right? But other important expenses come up and now your credit card balance is all maxed out. And then they offer you to raise that maximum balance. And then another bank calls you to offer you another credit card. And it goes on and on and on. That's what happened to me. There was always an important expense to pay for. As of January 2019, I owed $13,400 in credit card debts. Another of my big debts is the new car loan I took 5 years ago. The loan was initially for $20,000. And the last debt worth mentioning, it's a personal loan I took from a cousin to start the Panamanian traditional clothing photo studio business that I've mentioned before. I know it's not the best idea to ask your family for money. I know. And we have had our differences and arguments, but we have made it work. The loan was for $15,000. So here's my overall debt breakdown. The total was $48,400. But last year, on March 2019, I decided that I was not going to let my debt rule my life. All my income evaporated because of my debt's interests, and I started taking my debt-free journey seriously. I learned about the debt snowball method, and after a year of sacrifice and hard work, these are my numbers. My debts total as of today is $17,997.07, which means I've managed to pay off $30,402.93. I feel really good about myself when analyzing the numbers. You know, just seeing what I have accomplished so far. Even though the coronavirus is changing everyone's plans, my plan remains to become debt-free by February 2021. I would love to know how's your journey going. How much of your debt is left to pay so that you can start your debt-free life? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, I just wanted to share with you guys my numbers, my story, and my progress. Who knows, I might even inspire you to start your own debt-free journey. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really excited about the direction MoneyBeat is taking, so I hope to see you soon in another video. Thank you.